Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come and join us with another garden experiment. In this video, we're going to show how to convert seeds into beautiful baby plants with two different types of potting mix that you can make by yourself. We're going to plant the exact same seeds into both potting mixes, and we're going to see which one grows well, what kind of maintenance they need, how long they took to germinate, how much did they cost, and all the other information. Potting soil, also called as potting mix, is a blend of materials that is intended for growing plants in containers. Alright, let's show you our first potting mix. We're adding 8 parts of hydrated coconut coir. It looks wet, but it's not. Along with it, we are adding 1 part of perlite and 1 part of vermiculite. Mix this well. Coconut coir has more nutrition and lasts longer than peat moss, but it is slightly expensive. Perlite is mixed with coconut coir to improve aeration, draining, and to keep the coconut coir loose. Vermiculite also helps in aeration, promotes slow release of added fertilizer, and improves moisture retention. We transferred a small batch, and now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Garden Tone Organic Slow Release Fertilizer. Here comes the fun part. We are using this seed starting tray. Pour the prepared potting mix and press it gently. We have made some tags using craft sticks just to identify the plants when they grow. In this tray, we are showing 3 different types of tomatoes and eggplants. Add in about 5 seeds in a slot. Most likely 3 will germinate, but if you're lucky, all 5 will germinate. We can thin them once they grow about 4 inches and transplant them, so no need to worry if they're too crowded in one spot. Cover the seeds with more dirt. Water the seeds. We figured adding warm water will help the seeds germinate faster, so we're going to use warm water. Make sure you don't add hot water. To test if your water is hot or warm, put your pinky in. If it stays for 30 seconds or more, that means your water is warm. Cover the tray and set it aside. Next, let's start the second mixture. This is a combination of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. Peat moss is a very stable material. Peat takes a long time to break down and is widely available and inexpensive. Again, we're using the same 8:1:1 ratio of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. First, let's wet the peat moss mixture. Take a plastic bottle. Take a board pin and make holes on the cap. And then add them to the seed tray. Add the seeds, label them, water, and cover the tray. Let both trays stay on a warm place, either under a grow light or next to a window where they can get plenty of sunlight. After 1 week, some of the seeds germinated. Beans, tomatoes, and greens have germinated on coconut coir potting mix. Still waiting for the eggplant and the bell peppers. And sadly, nothing has germinated on the peat moss mixture. Let's wait and check back after a week. Stay tuned with us to find the results of our plant growing adventure. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!